guys, what is up? So for today's video, and it's actually going to take span of a couple of days video, I am going to be showing you kind of my packing for my DCP / moving to Florida, all that kind of stuff. I know I look rough right now. All I've done is bathe, and I was like, you know what, we're just going to throw our hair up and we're going to go. But yeah, I'm going to be showing you like my packing. I've started packing. I'm already tired and I've only done one suitcase. So today is Thursday, August 1st. I am actually going to be leaving Saturday, August 3rd, and then my program starts on August 5th. So yeah, for someone who waited till last minute to start packing, it's not going too bad. You know, we getting there. I'm going to show you like an overview of like what I'm working with. I'm actually back home right now. I'm not even like, yeah, I'm back home. I'm looking at my suitcase. It looks pretty good. You know, I'm like admiring my work. I have the way, I'll explain how I have everything set up and all that kind of stuff. And then I think I will also be adding in the actual like moving part, the driving. I am coming all the way from Tennessee. So yeah, it's about 12 hours, the whole drive. Just the driving part, and obviously got to stop because, you know, you're gonna get hungry, you got to go to the bathroom, you know, human needs. So we got that going on. So it is gonna be probably a kind of, I'm gonna try not to make it super long video, but this video is gonna be a span of several days, so it's gonna be interesting. Yeah, so I'm just gonna flip the camera around, show you what I'm working with, all that kind of stuff, and we'll just get right into it. Okay, so like I said a minute ago, I just got done with one suitcase, and the way I'm doing it, I normally, when I leave for college, I normally leave everything on the hangers. That's right over there. I leave it on the hangers, and I put like the plastic kind of bag or garbage bag over it, but I decided, I was like, I'll just put it all in this suitcase. So I'm putting all my clothes in one suitcase, which actually worked out pretty good. I was a little like nervous just because everything in this one, like no clothes anywhere else. So I'm just gonna go through how I have it. I did use like the rolled up method. I think it's called Marie Kondo or something like that. She's like a really like important like organization person, all that kind of stuff. Basically, when you're packing, it's this method of rolling your clothes up in kind of like how a cinnamon roll looks instead of having them flat. I definitely think it saves like a lot of space. So I have only like, I have all my bottoms over here. So like pants, sweatpants, skirts, things like that. And then right up at the top, I wasn't able to fit my dresses on this side. So I have a few dresses right up there. And then I just have them zipped in. And then this is a Karl Lagerfeld suitcase that I got for Christmas, I want to say. And it's like pretty like huge size, so like I'm glad I'm able to fit everything. And then right here in like this middle section is just gonna be like where I put like bras, underwear, all that good stuff. And then right over here I have all of my t-shirts and like actual shirts that I will be wearing throughout the program. I'm sorry, I'm sniffling so bad. My nose just started running really bad the last 5 minutes. So I do apologize, but I have all my t-shirts, shirts that I'll be wearing, all that kind of stuff over here. Yeah, so pretty much got all my clothes except for like undergarments, which will just go in that middle section. And then I've got it all fastened up. And then just right over here, I have all my hangers that I used. And then there's my actual purse. And then that's going to be like my park backpack that I'm going to be taking with me. And then I went ahead and already separated like the clothes that I'm going to be wearing like throughout the days before, because I am leaving Saturday and I don't check in till Monday. So I have these set right here. This is what I'm going to be wearing throughout, and they're going to be in like a separate little bag. So I have that. What else is there? There's my big tripod, which I'm not going to be taking with me just because I just don't think I need it. I'm using my little tripod right now, and I think it gets the job done. So I'm just gonna do that. Then I have like my itinerary right there. I just actually got done filming like a location reveal and all that kind of stuff. So yeah. And then here is my bedding. Everything I have for my bedding, I'm gonna put it in that like compression Ziploc thing. That situation, I'm gonna put all this in there. So all that's gonna go in there. My laptop's just right over there. I actually have to take my TV down because this is actually mine that we put in the living room, so I have to get that before I leave. And then my bedding is gonna go in this bin right here with the rest of my kitchen supplies. Now I know they have like general kitchen stuff, so I only brought like the stuff that's like really like mine. Like I brought me some bowls, I have like 2 mugs, my cutting board, my chopsticks, my bowl, storage bins, so stuff like that is how I'm gonna have that. And then my bedding, like I said, is gonna go in there as well. And then in this suitcase right here, I'm gonna have my shoes and any purses or accessories I'm gonna bring are gonna be in here. And then in that one, I am going to have my hangers, pretty much. My hangers, and maybe if anything else that's like needs a spot will go in there, but mostly hangers in there. My trash can that's dirty that I need to clean out. And then my backpack is right there, which is gonna have like my TV remote. I know my outlet thing's gonna be in there. My itinerary stuff is gonna be in there, and then like my actual like toothbrush, toothpaste, and all that stuff that I use is gonna be in the backpack. Maybe it may be in the bag with my other clothes. I hadn't really figured that part out. And then as you can see right here is my hamper, which I have like my bath towels, my ironing board, my irons in there as well. My step stool's in there, and then I have like a little bit of wall decor, which you can't really see. That's like right there. So, and then there's a little bit of cleaning stuff that's also in that one. And then I just have that bag, which has some medicine, my DVD player, and yeah. I actually forgot to show you right here on this table, I just have like just a little bit of stuff that'll probably go into my backpack, which is just my earrings right here, some hair ties, soap, deodorant, makeup remover, my DVDs I'm going to be bringing, the 3 necklaces that I decided, my like canteen that I got for Mickey's 90th birthday that they had at Target, my bottle opener, and then my camera bag, because I do want to buy a camera once I get down there and once I start making some money. So I figured I might as well bring my camera bag that I have for my old camera. That way I don't have to buy a new bag, because I don't want to have to buy a new one when I already have one that's perfectly fine. And I know the camera that I'm looking at will be able to fit in there. So a little bit of merch I've already bought, my ears, a t-shirt, some pins. That's just a little bit of stuff that I already bought. I have a whole like pre-DCP merch video that I've already made, which I'll link either in a card or at the very end. And then these are the shoes I'm going to be bringing. So I decided it on, this was my thought process, and I'm just going to explain it really quickly. So obviously it rains a lot in Florida, so I was like, I have to have my rain boots. So I bought my rain boots and my combat boots for when the weather's kind of bad. Then I don't know if with my work location, if I'm going to have like black shoes or not. But I have my like work shoes that I wear to work that are non-slip, black, all that kind of stuff. And I was like, I might as well bring them, because I don't know for sure. Some places, my role is merchandise. So some places I could probably get away with just those tennis shoes that you see right there. And then some places I might have to wear like my black tennis shoes. So I was like, I'm just going to bring them just in case, because I don't want to end up having to buy shoes when I get down there, when I have some at home that are pretty okay. Then I have these shoes right here that I don't really ever wear outside of the house. They're kind of like, they're just my Sperry's, but I use them as like house slippers, all that kind of stuff. Then I have my Adidas tennis shoes, just some white sneakers. And then I do have these Steve Madden kind of boots, and I do want to have just at least one nice pair of shoes, so if I do go somewhere really nice, I don't have like only that. So I would recommend, like, I mean, obviously you're only gonna have so much time to really like go like nice places or something like that. Like majority of the time you're there, you're gonna be working or in the parks, but you know, I just want to have at least one nice pair of shoes, so if I do go somewhere, I got something. Right over here, I think this is going to be the bag that I bring to put my stuff in for the next few days. It's just my old cheer bag, so probably going to bring that bag. most of this stuff that's in my room right here. Hello, here I am. I had debated for a nice minute if I was going to bring my mirror, and I decided against it because the dressers are kind of set up how this one is, except it's 3 straight across, and then you have that mirror right up there. So I was like, I'm not going to bring my big mirror because I will have a mirror. So normally in college, like dorms and apartments, you don't have any kind of mirrors, so that's why I have that. Right over here, nothing really over here is coming with me. I do have to grab my makeup because I am bringing some of my makeup, but I'm not bringing all of it. So I do need to decide on what I am and am not bringing, which is all right down there. So like you just saw a second ago, that's pretty much what I'm working with. I just have to start putting everything else up. And then I'll be good. I think I bought everything I need. I do need to go and get me like a compression sleeve because as you probably have seen as I'm moving my arm, I have tattoos. Hopefully my costumes will be where it's like longer sleeve, but I have one because I used to work somewhere, or I still kind of work there, where I did have to wear a sleeve at one point, and then they took that rule away and they're like, oh, you don't have to wear your sleeve anymore. So I'm thinking I may just bring that and just turn the sleeve inside out because it does have the company's logo on it on one side. So I may just turn it inside out and just wear it like that. I still have both of them. I know where they are. So I'm probably going to bring that and just wear that. And if I need to buy like a certain color or whatever, then I'll do that. But I will just see. I'm just going to bring that. Yeah. So that's pretty much like a rundown of everything and how everything is going. It's like, I don't even know what time it is. I think it's like 2 something. I don't really know what time it is. But yeah, I'll probably put in a little montage of me like putting my shoes in over there after this. And I don't know when I will see you again. It may be, I may not see you till the next day when I'm loading up the car, maybe. Yeah, I'll try to get clips of loading up the car. If not, it'll be when we're leaving. So I will be leaving probably like either midnight or 3 a.m. on Saturday. So one or the other is going to happen. So I will probably either see when I'm like really tired or I don't really know, but we'll see. I'm just going to play this little montage and I hope you enjoy. Bye. Hello everyone. It is Friday afternoon. I'm about to load up my car. I just want to show you everything I have to load up. It's so hot. But yeah, I'm just going to show you everything I have to load up. Maybe a little montage of me loading. I don't really know. I'm just trying to get this done. But yeah, I'm just going to show you real quick. So right here is everything I have to load up. I have to get that. And then just that right there. My pillows into that. But yeah. And then my TV's right there. But yep. This all got to get in there and we'll see how well this goes. my car is looking like. So, oh, I have to move that. But that's what she got right there. And then come along the side. That's where I'll be sitting. Room for parents. All that good stuff. But yeah. Hello everyone, I just wanted to come and talk really quick. My parents are currently like in a gas station. I'm just in the car. As you can see, all my stuff is pretty much over there. We have made it into Florida. I don't have too much video of like the driving part because, not gonna lie, I was asleep through most of it. We left, I think it was like, I don't even know. We left, I think it was like 1 something. And then we had to go drop my dad's car at the airport because they're going to be flying back. And then we headed on, but we are in Florida. We've still got, according to like the GPS, we still got a good like 4 more hours. So yeah, we're in Florida, but we still got quite a bit more to go. And then we'll be at the hotel. Don't really know what we're going to do at that point, but yeah. I will see you guys later, and I hope it's interesting. Bye.